In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add reCAPTCHA in Elementor Form. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to elementor.com. Click on this login option if you already have an account. But if you do not have one yet, you can click onto this Get Started option right here in order to get started. Now, from there, you can head over to WordPress. This is because WordPress actually or typically hosts Elementor and it can be integrated. So log into your account or click on this Get Started if you do not have one yet. On my case, I already have one, so let me head over and click on this login. Now here is my actual site that I have created on the actual WordPress, and as you can see, it's the Elementor editor. In my case, let me head over and then copy this domain that we have right here. Just right click and click on copy. Once we have done that, we need to head over to the Google reCAPTCHA. You can do so by going to google.com/reCAPTCHA. Then into this part, go over and input right here your label. So let's input right here sunrise. You can choose in here the reCAPTCHA type. It can be score based or challenge. So in here, I'm not a robot or invisible or reCAPTCHA badge. I'll just choose this on not a robot one. Then enter in here your domain. Click on this plus icon and then enter in here the domain that you have. Now just choose in here the actual platform that will host this. You can choose in here your projects. Now click on this submit. Then after that, this will actually help secure your domain. You can just copy the site key that you have right here. Go to your settings and analytics, and as you can see, it's now set up. So this particular page or the actual domain that you have will be protected by reCAPTCHA from now on. So that's how you add reCAPTCHA in Elementor Form. I hope this video helped you out.